Hello. In this video, we will learn about Excel's Quick Access Toolbar.
The Quick Access Toolbar, or QUET for short, is by default located over here at the top. So the Quick Access Toolbar is where we can store our frequently used commands so that we don't have to go into each of these ribbons to find the commands, because the Quick Access Toolbar is always visible over here. We can store the commonly used commands over here for quick access and easy access. So that's the purpose of the Quick Access Toolbar. You can also change the location of the Quick Access Toolbar. As I said, by default, it is located over here. But if you hover your mouse over here and click on the down arrow, you can see there's option show below the ribbon. So you click that, it now appears below the ribbon. Also, if you click on the down arrow, you see some frequently used options that are available that you can add on to the Quick Access Toolbar. By default, we only have save, undo, and redo. But you can add things like new, open, email, quick print, spelling, sort ascending, descending, and so on. And you can even add more commands by going over here. So let's say we want to have spelling command over there. We can add that from here. Now we have the spelling command on the Quick Access Toolbar. If you don't see your Quick Access Toolbar, you can go to File, you can go to Options, then you can click on Quick Access Toolbar, and you can put a tick over here. By default, it might not be there. So if you don't see your Quick Access Toolbar, you can click over here and it will appear on the below the ribbon or on top of the ribbon. So from here also you can change the location below the ribbon and above the ribbon. And here you have another option to always show command labels. So here you see the labels are undo, redo, and so on. So if you don't have this ticked, you won't see the command names over here. So if you remove the always show commands label and say OK, you don't see the labels now. Undo, redo, spelling, you don't see that. So you can put it back from here. You go to Quick Access Toolbar and you can put a tick over here to see the labels. Also, if you want to add any of these commands on the ribbon somewhere onto the Quick Access Toolbar, you can do a right click like this and you can say Add to Quick Access Toolbar. So here we can add conditional formatting by clicking Add to Quick Access Toolbar. Now conditional formatting is there. If you want maybe decrease decimals, you can say Add to Quick Access Tool. It will appear there. So likewise, you can add any of the commands from here onto a Quick Access Toolbar by doing a right click. There's another way to add commands onto the Quick Access Toolbar. You can go to Backstage. You can go to Options like before. Go to Quick Access Toolbar and you see all of the popular commands that are available from here. So from here, you can select one of these commands, and if you want to add it, you can click the Add button and it will appear on the Quick Access Toolbar. And by default, only the popular commands are shown here. If you do a down click, you can add all commands. So all of the commands that are available will be listed over here. So you can select whatever you want onto the Quick Access tool. So you can select so you can select anything you want from the so you can also select from here and add on to the Quick Access Toolbar. And also if you want to remove, you can click on the option here, click on the command here and say remove. So likewise, you can remove and add from these two buttons. You can also reorganize the version of these commands on the Quick Access Toolbar by using the up and down arrows. Like this, if you want to move copy up, you can click the up arrow. And let's say you want to move spelling down, you can click the down arrow. So you can rearrange your commands on the Quick Access Toolbar using the arrow keys. You can also remove commands directly from the quick access toolbar by doing a right click and selecting remove from quick access toolbar.
Thanks for watching.